What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video we are going to discuss about my RedBubble earnings and some of the analytics on my RedBubble account. If you guys don't know, I started my print on demand journey back in July 2021. I started with uploading designs on RedBubble, then I moved to Etsy, and the more I learned about it, the more I started uploading my designs on different platforms. Now I upload designs on Spreadshirt, Society6, Fine Art America, and couple of other platforms too, which we can discuss later. But for the part of this video, we are just going to discuss the amount of users I have got lately and what are my earnings, and perhaps it will give you some idea on what you can expect if you start your print on demand journey on Redbubble. So as you can see, and as I mentioned, I have received lately 206 unique visitors. I started my print on demand journey in July 9, 2021, and I have got decent number of users lately. In July I got around 50 users, and in August I got around 98 visitors, and September it's still not over yet. It's around 20 days and I have got almost 50 users so far. So my total number of users are coming down almost around 206 users. We can say I'm getting around 70 to 80 users monthly on average. And now going to the earnings part. So here is my earnings guys. I made around 17 Canadian dollars, which comes to around 12 or 13 US dollars. I got my first sale within 20 days. As I mentioned, I started on July 9, 2021, and I got my first sale on July 29, 2021, and it was a sticker. And in terms of earnings, I earned $3 in July and $13 in August. And yesterday I got another order for a t-shirt on which I made around 5 Canadian dollars on artist's margin. So that thing is still in pending. That's why it's not showing under September, but perhaps within a day or two it will start showing here, and my total earnings will reach almost 21 Canadian dollars. And hopefully I'll receive my first payout next month. So I hope guys you found this video just a bit helpful, and it might give you some idea on what earnings or what sales you can expect based on the monthly users you have received so far, or if you are just starting your Redbubble shop, it might give you some idea on what to expect within the first couple of months. If you like this video, make sure to give thumbs up, and if you have any specific questions regarding Redbubble, feel free to add in comments and I'll make a video on that, or I'll reply you as soon as I can. Bye bye, take care, and see you in the next video.